How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can check someone else's online status or last seen. So in order to check someone else's Snapchat last seen or online status, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. The first thing is you have to go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Go ahead and open up your chats icon. Unfortunately, there's no such direct method of checking someone else's online status on Snapchat, unlike Facebook or WhatsApp. In order to check someone else's story, you can follow this step. The first thing is what you can do is you can try sending them a snap and send the snap to them. And if the following user has actually opened the snap as soon as you send it, then it means he or she is online. If he or she does not open up the chats, then what you can do is the alternate method is that press on their profile icon, and then from here you can see their Snapchat map, and then you can see just above the map their time indication stating that minute ago he or she was online. In this way you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.